Hi, Frank Tulip here again, and I have 3 questions for you. Number 1, does your business repair or calibrate ADAS-equipped vehicles? Number 2, after you repair or calibrate an ADAS-equipped vehicle, do you take those vehicles for a proper post-repair, post-calibration road test or test drive? The last question I have is probably an easy one for you. Do you or your employees own a smartphone? Now, if you answered yes to all 3 of those questions, you really need to check out this short video on how our Test Drive CoPilot platform can turn your smartphone into a powerful ADAS road test or test drive tool that will provide you with OEM-based test drive procedures, OEM ADAS how-to videos. It'll provide you with detailed road test drive reporting and QA reporting, and provide you with billing capabilities for a road test and a test drive, all for less than $1 per repair order if your business performs 80 or more repairs per month. You really should check out this short video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Well, the first thing you want to do is find the app on your phone and then press the app icon. Then select New Test Drive. First step, entering an RO number. Again, you should have the RO number on the vehicle you're repairing. Second step, the person who's performing the test drive selects their name from a drop-down menu. You can select the multiple technicians as well. Next, you can either enter a VIN, or in this case I'm showing you, you can scan a VIN barcode or a QR code in GM's case. Next, enter the mileage of the vehicle that you're going to test drive. And then once you've done that, you want to validate the vehicle information that was pulled by the VIN scan. Then you select the type of test drive you're going to perform. You can see here, there's multiple different types you can select. In this case, I'm selecting ADAS. And then next, you want to select the insurer, a fleet, or a customer pay. You're selecting the entity who will be paying for this test drive, if at all. And then next, you can either go right to OEM repair procedures or recommendations, or schedule it for later, which will put this test drive in your pending test drives. Once you select the recommendations, you can see here, we provide you with great detailed information on all of the test drive procedures based on each of the ADAS systems for a particular manufacturer. What it should do, what speed you should take it to, what you should expect if it operates correctly. You can then click on the link in the bottom if you want to look at videos, and then we're going to provide you with OEM ADAS how-to videos. So if the person performing the test drive has questions about how the system may operate or may work, they can refer to these videos, these OEM ADAS how-to videos, to help them understand that particular manufacturer's ADAS systems via a video. If you're ready for test drive, you hit ready for test drive, and then it's going to bring up a message informing you, try to avoid phone calls and other apps. That's best to put it on Do Not Disturb at this point. You press start, and now the test drive recording begins. Now, at this stage, you could throw the smartphone, or lay the smartphone down on the vehicle, on the seat next to where you're driving. But at all times during the test drive, you're going to see the test drive procedures on the screen. And as you can see on the bottom, the app and the phone is recording the time, recording the miles, recording the speed, it's recording the route, as well as other items it is recording during the test drive. When you're done, you're going to press stop, and you're going to press select yes. And at this point, it's going to bring up a QA checklist for which the person who performed the test drive selects the system either passed, it failed, or was not applicable to this particular vehicle, i.e. this vehicle did not include that ADAS system. And once they've selected pass, fail, or NA, they can enter notes any associated notes with regard to the test drive. They'll select preview, again, just to review all of their selections and entries, and then they submit. And that completes the test drive for this particular vehicle. And then a detailed report is automatically emailed to one or multiple people within the organization or outside the organization. That also includes a route, a map of where the vehicle was test driven, the QA checklist for which the person who performed the test drive selected pass, fail, or non-applicable. And then last but not least, the system generates a billing statement based on how an organization wants to bill for their test drives.